Hi, Big Scotty here, and welcome to my first ever Diecast Car of the Month video. Every month I intend to pick a favorite, and I'll show it to you right here. By the way, this doesn't mean I bought this car this month. It just means out of all the cars I interact, this is my favorite. And what a favorite it is. The Datsun Fairlady Z RHD number 0 in blue metallic, designed by the one and only Jun Imai. This is a Kaido House special, the collaboration between MiniGT and Kaido House. It's launched by TrueScale Miniatures, that's the parent company of MiniGT, and it's my first ever pick of the month. I really like this car. It is so good. It could probably win the pick of the month every month if I didn't exclude it. I'm going to be doing one again in October, November, etc. towards the end of the month, so stick around for more on that. But this one, I just had to pick it for my first car of the month because it's so stinking cool. It's a right-hand drive model, and I love that. It has a roll cage. Come on. Real rubber tires and those famous Kaido House alloy wheels. The hood opens. Yeah, it opens. And the interior is incredibly detailed. Of course, it does have the metal body and chassis, as do all the MiniGT cars that I'm aware of. And it's an officially licensed model in collaboration with Datsun. Here are your basic specs. It's from TrueScale Miniatures, i.e. MiniGT. They are both the brand and the manufacturer in this case. And the manufacturer part number and model number are KHMG024. Here's my summary on this car. It is beautifully painted here in blue. I also like the red, maybe as much, I'm not sure. Today I like the blue. It's very boldly customized. It features the familiar highway logo on the roof and the Datsun logo on the rear, which is very eye-catching. The bonnet opens backwards, unlike the previous Kaido House series products, and there's even a vertical 6 engine in there underneath that bonnet in the engine bay. It's one of the highlights, together with the opening and closing feature of this particular diecast car. I love MiniGT. I love anything that Mr. Jun Imai has had a hand in, and therefore I happily show you my first ever 164 diecast car of the month for September 2023. This is the blue Fairlady Z from Kaido House. Be sure to visit near the end of October to see my next car of the month, and leave your comments below. I want to hear from you. What do you think of this car? Be sure to pass this video on to your friends who are in the hobby, and I look forward to seeing you again next month here on the Diecastcarlove YouTube channel.